January unfolds with secrets, schemes, and shattered trust. Lydia's calculated charm, Ogulkan's missteps, and Orhan's unexpected opportunities set the stage for a whirlwind of drama. As betrayals surface and loyalties are tested, relationships teeter on the edge. By month's end, a devastating loss leaves the Eren family reeling, while buried truths and rising tensions threaten to ignite chaos. Just when it seems the worst is over, the fallout begins. Hold on tight, this month changes everything. On Wednesday, the 1st of January 2025, episode 41-351 unfolds as Lydia cleverly schemes her way closer to Oma, using every tool in her arsenal to chip away at his defenses. Meanwhile, Ogulkan lands himself in serious trouble with his boss, a situation that threatens to spiral out of control. Orhan finds himself thrust into the spotlight when his bravery catches the attention of someone with a potentially life-changing offer. The day's events weave a tangled web, leaving viewers wondering whose ambitions will triumph and whose will falter. Thursday, the 2nd of January 2025, brings episode 42-352, where Sengül steps into the role of Orhan's manager with gusto. But her demanding nature raises eyebrows as she pushes for perfection in the ad's script. Ogulkan and Oma, meanwhile, face a moral dilemma that could jeopardize their integrity. As the pressure mounts, secrets and lies begin to surface, promising a cascade of drama in the episodes ahead. On Friday, the 3rd of January 2025, episode 43-353 delivers a nail-biting turn as Akif comes to Ogulkan and Omir's rescue, but his motives remain shrouded in mystery. What price will they have to pay for his intervention? In another corner, Susan and Yaman find themselves bonding over what starts as a mundane business conversation, but ends with sparks of unexpected chemistry. Tensions rise as every action seems to have a hidden consequence. Monday, the 6th of January 2025 presents episode 44-354, where the fallout from a night of heavy drinking leaves Susan and Yaman in an awkward and compromising situation. Meanwhile, Burak is dismissed from his job under suspicious circumstances, setting off a ripple effect that touches everyone around him. Tolga drops a bombshell by revealing Berna's true identity to Yasmin, throwing her into a whirlwind of emotions and questions. Tuesday, the 7th of January 2025 ushers in episode 45-355 as Fatma and Ogulkan's elaborate plan to win over Elif takes an unexpected turn, leaving them scrambling to salvage the situation. Just as the dust begins to settle, Sevol finds herself confronted by an unanticipated visitor, turning her world upside down. Elsewhere, Omir's seemingly bad day takes an even darker twist, leaving viewers on edge. On Wednesday, the 8th of January 2025, episode 46-356 sees the children rally together to strategize a way to reinstate Burak at school, their unity tested by unforeseen obstacles. Meanwhile, the arrival of a new student shakes things up, particularly for Asiye, who quickly finds herself at odds with the newcomer. The stage is set for rivalries and alliances to form in unpredictable ways. Thursday, the 9th of January 2025's episode 47-357 reveals Susan giving Ogulkan a clever idea to grow closer to Elif, but his execution of the plan leaves much to be desired. Orhan grapples with his bruised ego, while Fatma continues her subtle yet ruthless campaign to undermine Sengül, setting up a confrontation that feels inevitable. Friday, the 10th of January 2025 delivers episode 48-358, where Akif and Nebahat's romantic dinner takes a dramatic turn as Shreya and Yaman unexpectedly arrive at the same restaurant. Meanwhile, Ogulkan plans a special surprise for Elif, but Ayla stands firmly in his way. A shocking discovery by Fatma and Ogulkan threatens to change everything. leaving viewers questioning what's next. Monday the 13th of January 2025, episode 49 359 kicks off with Fatma and Ogulkan striking gold, but their newfound fortune begins to unravel secrets they hope to keep hidden. Ayaz comes to Asiye's aid during a precarious moment, but his intentions are called into question. At Ayla's home, an unexpected visitor's arrival leaves Elif heartbroken, shattering her sense of stability. Tuesday, the 14th of January 2025 sees episode 50 360, where Orhan struggles to make sense of Fatma's sudden wealth, even as she insists they celebrate her success. Elsewhere, Shuraya and Yaman share pivotal news with their daughters, setting off a cascade of emotional reactions. Wednesday the 15th of January 2025 unveils episode 51 361, with Seval consumed by jealousy after spotting Shuraya in the sauna. Elif and Berk's day takes a dramatic turn when an uninvited guest arrives, stirring up trouble. Meanwhile, Sarp and Lydia conspire to take revenge on Omer and Susan, laying the groundwork for a vengeful showdown. Thursday, the 16th of January 2025, episode 52 362 captures Ogulkan's growing paranoia about Fatma, leading to a shocking incident as Umutkan goes missing in the park. Akif plots against Yaman, while Shuraya delivers Nebahat a disturbing video that hints at even deeper betrayals. On Friday, the 17th of January 2025, episode 53 363 focuses on Ogulkan's obsession with money, driving a wedge between him and Fatma. Susan steps in to support Nebahat during a challenging moment. Meanwhile, Sarp's jealousy toward Omer erupts into a dangerous situation, setting the stage for an explosive conflict. On Monday, the 20th of January 2025, episode 54 364 sees Nebahat launching her revenge plot against Akif, culminating in an intense conversation with Yaman at the club. Meanwhile, Fatma takes Orhan and Ogulkan by surprise with an unexpected revelation, leaving both men grappling with questions about her true motives. Tuesday, the 21st of January 2025 delivers episode 55 365, where Omer's already difficult day spirals further as he must rush Emel to the hospital in a desperate bid to save her. At the same time, Seval and Suzanne are both blindsided by shocking news that threatens to shake their worlds apart. On Wednesday, the 22nd of January 2025, episode 56 366 unfolds with Ogulkan growing increasingly frustrated as Fatma struggles to recall where she hid the missing money. Omer, meanwhile, confronts the woman Asiye once worked for, leading to a tense encounter that raises more questions than it answers. Thursday, the 23rd of January 2025, episode 57 367 brings Ogulkan's relentless efforts to restore Fatma's memory to the forefront, with emotions running high. Elsewhere, Omer uncovers Lydia's deceit, revealing her true nature. Simultaneously, Akif stumbles upon a deeply buried secret of Susan's, setting the stage for explosive revelations. Friday, the 24th of January 2025, episode 58 368 is packed with tension as New Year's Eve celebrations light up the night. While most revel in the festivities, Akif receives devastating news that leaves him reeling. Yaman's evening takes an unexpected turn, hinting at a twist that no one saw coming. On Monday, the 27th of January 2025, episode 59 369 finds the new year starting on a high note for many, but not for all. Suzanne and Yaman engage in a heartfelt conversation about their future, while Fatma experiences a sudden flashback. However, this moment of clarity spirals into chaos, leaving those around her on edge. Tuesday, the 28th of January 2025, brings episode 60-370, where tensions over the missing money reach a boiling point between Ogulkan and those closest to him. Meanwhile, Sarp stumbles upon the shocking truth that Gökhan is Berk's father. As Gökhan moves in with Berk and Ayla, Elif remains wary of his true intentions, adding a layer of unease. Wednesday, the 29th of January 2025, episode 61-371 centers around the school fundraiser, an event that has the children buzzing with excitement. However, Nibahat finds herself irate upon learning of Yaman's decision to promote Shreya at the club, setting the stage for further drama. Thursday, the 30th of January 2025, episode 62-372 takes a dramatic turn when Sarp causes a major scene at the fundraiser, taunting Berk in front of everyone. Meanwhile, Akif and Ogulkan realize they are chasing the same elusive goal, though their methods remain worlds apart. To top it all, the Eren family is hit with devastating news that will change their lives forever. Friday, the 31st of January 2025, brings episode 63-373. A heart-wrenching day as Sengul's funeral unfolds. Ogulkan struggles to come to terms with his mother's death, his grief threatening to overwhelm him. Suzanne, meanwhile, is baffled when she catches a glimpse of Gulton at the school, raising questions that beg for answers and leaving viewers on tenterhooks. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications. Please watch my next video coming up now.